Twitch can be a lot of fun for both broadcasters and viewers. But a lot of times it can be super annoying. For the broadcaster, this can be for any number of reasons, from technical issues to viewers being total turkeys in chat. See my video on how to time out and ban viewers. But for the viewer, sometimes chat can be very overwhelming. So here's a massive quickie that'll show you some hidden commands any viewer can use to elevate their chat experience. So if you're a seasoned Twitch broadcaster, a moderator, or a brand new viewer, you may be aware of the commands that certain roles have access to. These can all be found in chat by simply typing / and then looking at what your options are. But what if I told you there's a couple hidden commands that don't appear on this list?
I know Kung Fu.
Say you're in a stream with someone you just can't handle in chat, but you really have no reason to block them, or from the streamer's perspective, you have no reason to time them out or ban them. This is so incredibly simple. It's crazy that most people don't know about it. You can ignore them. Not just like literally by ignoring what they say, but there's actually a hidden command that every single user on Twitch has access to. Burn already! It will hide all of the message from any person or bot that you want to ignore in chat. And the cool part is, it hides it from only you. So people with more patience can still interact with all that lovely emote spam. And nobody has to know that you are ignoring whoever you're ignoring. Simply type / ignore and then the username. Then you'll get a message confirming ignore successful. I've personally found this super useful as a viewer in streams where the broadcaster has a bunch of bots running that I have no interest in, or constant spamming of emotes through ! type commands with stream elements or Nightbot or anything like that. I simply just ignore stream elements, and then all of that crazy emote spam is gone. All of the song request garbage that I really don't care about auto-magically. Chat is much, much, much more pleasant for me to navigate. So that's it. No longer do you have to be pestered by repeated annoying comments from particular individuals that you don't care to hear from. No longer do you have to be bothered with the eye trash that is a wall of emotes. / ignore. It's the easiest Twitch hack on the planet that most people don't know about. So if this video was helpful, I hope I've earned your subscription. Got any other Twitch quickies? Leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time.